How to fix TikTok login problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix the login problem. First thing, open the settings and then you have to go into the apps manager like this and go to the apps again here, and now you have to click on the TikTok app. If you didn't find it, you can just use the search bar and search for TikTok. Click on TikTok and then go to the storage right here. Click on clear data, clear cache. Now click on the power usage details and then click on this app launch option and enable the manage automatically option. Click OK down here, go back, and now go back to the settings. Click on the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode here, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it again. And then you have to open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and make sure to update it into the latest version, because sometimes the problem is just from the update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.